gun is as good or as bad as the man using it.
The president is going to sign executive orders, he says. We're going to find out more details about them. They do seem to be aimed at closing the gun show loophole and putting more money into existing gun law enforcement.
All dictators, past and present, have thrived in a climate of fear. Without fear, they perish.
What is wrong with that?
Well, pretty soon you won't be able to get guns. I mean, it's another step in the way of not getting guns. And
come on, boys, take out the artillery. Oh, come on, hurry up. Hurry up now, loosen up.
Lost without thinking.
That's it. Hey, some of you guys over there, bring up the rest of those persuaders.
you know, the one thing that is just before we even get to that is the executive order concept. You know, it's supposed to be negotiated. You're supposed to cajole, get people in a room.
Trouble with you, young man, is you got too much of the dictator in you.
He doesn't want to do that because it's too much work. So he doesn't want to work too hard. He wants to go back and play golf.
Oh, well, I am in hog heaven.